I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Hey, what's up everyone? Doctor here, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas menu mod APK. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I can be motivated and make more videos like this. So let's start the video. I'll show you what you have to do, step by step. Download the game from the pinned comment. Remember, it'll download as zip file. I'll show you what to do after you download the game. Today's zip file have password, so watch full video without skipping because the password is in the video. I've already downloaded the game, so now I'll show you how to extract the file. Download the Zarchiver from Play Store. For extract this zip file, you need password. So watch full video without skipping because the password is in the video. Now open Zarchiver and go to the folder where you've downloaded the game. After opening the folder, unzip the zip file. I've extracted the file beforehand, but you just have to click on Extract here. For extract this zip file, you need password. So watch full video without skipping because the password is in the video. To unzip, you have to click on Extract here. It'll take some time. When the extracting is done, you'll get APK file and data file. Install the APK file, and after install is done, don't open the game. I repeat, don't open the game. It'll take some time.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Come back to the folder where you've extracted the file. Then copy the data folder and go to Android folder and then open data folder. After that, click the Paste Here button. Turn off the internet connection for smooth and lag-free gameplay. remember to turn on display over other app on. Guys, remember, you have to resume the game when you start the game for the first time. Now you can open the game and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And subscribe the channel. It'll be a great help to the channel.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Stupid up, don't be scared.
Records and the Love Giant. Johnny Love got Parkinson's. Get it on. Master Sounds. Let's turn on some Master Sounds and hear how you sound. Music is spiritual, especially when it pays. And I love getting paid to bring these records to you. Give me a kiss. Get down.
You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.